So we're back with a brand new product from Intake. You might have seen we've actually talked about these before in the past. They're a really cool band that goes on your nose that helps pull open your sinuses to allow you to be able to breathe easier while working out and sleeping. So it's really kind of cool. But the reason we're talking about them again is they've got a brand new product that is pretty dope. It is clear pads that go on your face specifically for the purposes of holding your nostrils open, but less likely to cause a question of what's going on with your nose. Great for like when you're doing things like yoga or anything like that, and you just don't want to have it like pull you out of it. So right here you can see we've got the brand new ones. They are very, very cool and clear. You still have the magnets you can kind of see, but they are a little bit more whiter, clearer. And then this just would go on your nose here. And then, as you can see here, it's a lot less noticeable than a black or a white band that would pull from your skin color. Let's see if we can find the right one. They say you want to go for one that would just pull. That's the biggest one. So I think I would go with this model because this one here is a little bit lower. This is the magnet, and we'll go over why that's important in a second. They actually give you some refills here to use. It's not really refills if it's your first one, huh? But these are little magnets that are skin cone. And the purpose of them is to specifically go onto your face. So it takes a little bit of a science to get this right at that point, but generally speaking, you want the magnet to be kind of here, facing the in slot towards your face. You're going to put that piece down onto the nostril. And then once you've got those on there, actually might not be big enough. Let's go with this one. Yeah. So you put that on there. The magnets are going to pull onto the sides. And they're going to open up your breathing pathways so you can breathe easier. While exercising, because your best way of breathing is going to be, of course, through your nose, not your mouth, while trying to exercise and work out. But yeah. So it comes specifically with 15 tabs in here to get used to the way it works. Store those in here. And place them all within the case when you're not using them, including the little magnet. And that way you can get really good sleep, good breathing while exercising. It's just a really great option. But hopefully you guys found this interesting. Hopefully you guys pick this up for yourself. I do like the clear band. It does make it stand out a lot less, and it gives you the same benefits, which is very helpful. We'll see you guys next time.